I've been walking around for about maybe the last hour or so, and this city is just amazing to explore. You know, it's a really modern city. Really enjoyed walking around so far. It's really, really great. You can see some really old buildings around here. Can't really see right now too much because it's too dark, and I don't think this cam will really pick it up too much. But really, I found that really old building. I heard it's the old train station that they used to have a very long time ago. So we'll go for a little bit of a walk towards it. Really beautiful. I'm gonna have to get my digital SLR out and take some pictures of that. I really like that. I think that'd do great for a picture. You know, you can see it over there. It's all lit up. Really, really beautiful. And then in the distance there, you can see the main train station, which will take me out to the zoo tomorrow if I decide to go there. There's also one great big flower show going on. So we're just gonna walk up close to this and see what else I can see here. Really beautiful. I love that color. It's really, really got a lot of character in it. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next little part of my series here that I'm working on while I'm in Taipei here. Really beautiful place, lots of space, no people, not too noisy. You know, it's really great, and I haven't seen too much litter or garbage anywhere. It's just been amazing here. Anyway, see you later. Bye-bye.